Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme C31 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's find the display. As you can see right here we've got the screen timeout option, so let's tap, and here we've got some options from which we can choose, so we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So currently we've got 2 minutes option applied, as you can see it is marked, and all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 10 minutes, let me tap on it, and as you can see we do not have to enter this option again because it is notified right here that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Realme C31. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.